my command, you can name it whatever you want as long as it's not a command that's already being used for something else, backslash EQ1 for equation 1. And then in curly brackets, you're going to actually enter the code that you want /EQ1 to represent. So let's do y equals, and then backslash frac, in our numerator x, in our denominator 3x squared plus x plus 1. And we close our curly bracket. So now whenever I want to type y equals backslash frac, and then x in the numerator, 3x squared plus x plus 1 in the denominator, I can simply type backslash EQ1. So let's try that. In the body of my document, graph backslash EQ1. Now my equation EQ1 needs to be in math mode for this to display properly. And let's compile. And then maybe we want to say identify the asymptotes for the graph of math mode backslash EQ1. So defining your own macros can be a real time saver. You don't have to just do this with math equations either. We could do this with text if there was some text that I knew I wanted to include several different times within my document. Go back up to my preamble, backslash DEF, and let's call this label axes. In curly brackets, I'll type the text. Remember to include a scale and label your axes. Now wherever I want that text to appear, let's go back down into the body of our document, I simply type backslash label axes. Finally, let's see how to insert graphics using LaTeX. The first thing we need to do is load the graphics package. So go back up into your preamble where you've defined any packages that you're using. And in order to use the graphics package, we're going to do backslash, use package, and then in curly brackets, it's graphic X, not S, but X. And then in the body of our document, wherever we want to insert the image, we type backslash include graphics, and then our file name. So you'll need to know the name of the image file, and it's very important that you determine the location of the file